In 1932, the U.S. Public Health Service enrolled 399 black men with syphilis in a study promising free treatment, then withheld the cure when penicillin was discovered in 1947 and watched them die. The Tuskegee study remains the most infamous ethics violation in American medical and psychological research. Psychological research carries unique ethical risks: deception, coercion, psychological harm, and invasion of privacy. The field developed its ethical principles in direct response to abuses. Today, every study involving humans must pass independent ethical review before a single participant is recruited. Informed consent requires that participants receive a clear explanation of the study's procedures, risks, and their right to withdraw at any time before agreeing to participate. Consent must be voluntary and competent. Special protections apply to vulnerable populations including minors, prisoners, and individuals with cognitive impairments. Some research requires deception. Participants cannot know the true hypothesis without changing their behavior. The APA permits deception when the study has significant scientific value, cannot be conducted without it, and participants are debriefed fully afterward. Deception that causes lasting harm is never justified. Before any human research begins, an institutional review board, an independent committee of researchers, ethicists, and community members, reviews the proposal. The IRB weighs potential benefits against risks, ensures informed consent procedures are adequate, and monitors ongoing studies. No IRB approval means no study. Animal research is governed by the principle of the 3Rs. Replace animals with alternatives wherever possible, reduce the number used to the minimum necessary, and refine procedures to minimize pain and distress. Animal research has produced fundamental insights into behavior and neuroscience that would have been impossible otherwise. Milgram's participants were deceived about the study's true purpose, exposed to severe psychological stress, and not protected from harm. Many showed signs of extreme distress during the procedure. Though Milgram debriefed participants, the stress they experienced during the study itself was not adequately protected against by standards now required. The Tuskegee study enrolled participants without informed consent, deceived them about their treatment, and withheld penicillin for decades after it became the standard cure, solely to observe untreated disease progression. Its exposure in 1972 triggered federal legislation creating IRBs and the Belmont Report establishing modern research ethics principles. An often overlooked ethical issue is publication bias. Journals preferentially publish studies with positive findings while null results languish in file drawers. This distorts the apparent evidence base, inflates effect sizes, and leads clinicians and policymakers to rely on a biased sample of the scientific record. Pre-registration is one proposed solution.